How to Make Money with Jasper AI Beginner's Guide. If you can type a sentence, you can make money with AI. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use Jasper AI to create content people are already paying for. By the end, you'll know 4 proven ways to turn Jasper into a profitable side hustle, even if you've never written professionally before. And before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to Best Bots and hit the bell so you'll be the first to watch every new AI money-making strategy we drop. What is Jasper AI? Jasper AI equals your AI copywriting assistant. It writes blog posts, product descriptions, ad copy, email campaigns, even YouTube scripts in seconds. Instead of staring at a blank page, you just give Jasper a prompt and it generates polished text you can sell. This makes Jasper one of the most powerful tools for anyone looking to make money online in 2025. Method 1. Freelance copywriting. On Fiverr and Upwork, businesses are paying dollar for blogs, sales copy, and captions. Here's the play. 1. Use Jasper to draft content based on client needs. 2. Polish and format it to match their brand voice. 3. Deliver and get paid. Example. Charge $50 for a $1,000 word blog post. Jasper drafts it in minutes, you refine it. That's an insane hourly rate with low stress. And if you want a detailed step-by-step guide, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. That way I'll know you're interested and I'll make a full tutorial to help you practice and start faster. Method 2, blogging for ad revenue. With Jasper, you can publish multiple SEO-optimized articles in one afternoon. Here's the strategy. Pick a profitable niche: finance, travel, tech. Let Jasper write blog posts optimized for SEO. Monetize with Google AdSense, affiliate links, or digital products. The more you post, to the more traffic, to the more money. Jasper lets you scale fast. Method 3, social media and YouTube scripts. Social media content. Jasper creates captions, tweets, ad copy, even YouTube scripts instantly. Use it 2 ways. Sell social media content services to clients, or grow your own TikTok, IG, and YouTube. Consistency is king. And Jasper makes posting daily easy. More posts to more followers, to more revenue streams. Method 4, digital products. Use Jasper to create ebooks, email courses, guides. Example, a Trent Day social media calendar. Or a beginner's guide to personal finance. Upload to Gumroad, Etsy, or your website. People buy it, you get passive income. Conclusion. So here are the 4 proven ways to make money with Jasper AI. 1. Freelance copywriting. 2. Blogging for ad revenue. 3. Social media and YouTube content. 4. Digital products. Jasper turns writing into profit for anyone. If you want more hidden AI tools that make money, smash that like button, subscribe to Best Bots, and turn on the bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.